Today, let's dive into the best foods to prevent and even reverse kidney damage. The kidneys act as filters for our bodies. We're going to show you how to transform a kidney from unhealthy state to a healthy one, all with the help of food. Now let's talk about the major contributors to kidney damage. The number one culprit is excessive sugar, especially starches and refined sugars. When sugar builds up in the bloodstream, it eventually ends up in the kidneys, causing oxidative stress and damage. Think of this as rust eating away at your kidney filters. Other things that harm the kidneys include alcohol, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, certain medications, pesticides, heavy metals, food dyes, and excessive phosphorus from sodas. A diet rich in vitamin D, potassium, and magnesium can significantly support kidney health. Now let's look at 6 foods that can help prevent kidney damage and even reverse some of its effects. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. These include asparagus, which may not be everyone's favorite, but is great for detoxifying the kidneys. Celery is another excellent vegetable, as it improves kidney function. Bell peppers, rich in vitamin C, and cabbage and cauliflower are also great for kidney health. Garlic, which contains allicin, is particularly beneficial for kidney function. 2. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is essential for kidney health. Foods like pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, and avocados are packed with magnesium. I also recommend supplementing with magnesium glycinate, at least 400 milligrams per day, since it helps protect the kidneys and supports overall kidney function. 3. Probiotic foods. Probiotic-rich foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi help support kidney function. 2 beneficial microbes, Lactobacillus casei and Bifidobacterium longum, have been shown to reduce stress on the kidneys by aiding in the removal of waste products like urea. Quality protein. It's essential to consume the right amount of protein. Too much can stress the kidneys, but too little can be harmful as well. Aim for about 6 to 7 ounces of protein per meal. Wild-caught fish like sardines and cod liver provide healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and eggs are another excellent protein source. 5. Antioxidant-rich foods. Berries like blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries, as well as beets, are high in antioxidants. These help fight oxidative stress and combat the rusting effect that high blood sugar and other toxins can have on your kidneys. 6. Quercetin-rich foods. Quercetin is a potent anti-inflammatory that helps prevent kidney scarring. The best sources of quercetin are onions, both white and red. Try incorporating onions into your meals by sautéing them or eating them raw. They'll add flavor and support kidney health. Thanks for watching. Remember, taking care of your kidneys starts with the right foods and lifestyle choices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit. Keep your kidneys happy and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.